So exercise first 8.1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is 24, BC 7 centimeter. Determine sin A cos A. In second part, sin C cos C. So first of all, we will draw a triangle ABC in which AB is 24, that is given, BC is 7 also given. So this side is not given, so we will use here Pythagoras theorem. So we know square of hypotenuse square equals to square of perpendicular plus square of base. So you have perpendicular 7 and base is 24, and now square of 7 49, square of 24 576. After adding you will get 625, and here is square, it will be converted into the square root, and square root of 625 is 25 centimeter. Okay, now you have all sides 3, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So first we will find sine A. So sine A, the value of sine is P by H according to this formula. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole, Sona Chandi Tole. So sine cos tan cot secant cosecant. So sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So value of P is 7. So here main angle is A. So opposite of A is perpendicular and its adjacent side is base. So base is 24 centimeter, and opposite to hypotenuse is opposite to perpendicular is hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is 25. So P by H, P is BC and H is AC. So value of BC is 7 and value of AC is 25. So sine is 7 by 25. Second is cos A. Cos, so according to this figure, cos is B upon H. So B by H, B is base, H is hypotenuse. So in the figure, B is base AB and H hypotenuse is AC. Value of AC is AB is 24 and value of AC is 25. So cos A is 24 by 25. In the next part, sin C and cos C, you will find this. So sin C is again P by H, but here angle is changed. Here is angle A and here is C. So we will again draw new triangle ABC in which our main angle is A. So opposite of oh no, C angle, sorry. So opposite to C is AB side. So this side will be perpendicular and its adjacent side BC will be now base, and opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So P here 24, put here 24, H is 25 again, and in the cos C, B by H, B is 7 and H is 25. So that first question complete. Now second question. So next question, second, in figure that is given in which this side is given and this side also given. First of all, we will find this side. Find here tan P minus cot R. So first first in triangle APQR in which Q angle is 90 degree. So if we know in any triangle one angle is 90 degree, then we will use Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse, so hypotenuse is here PR opposite to 90 degree. So Q is here 90 degree angle. So here is hypotenuse PR and two sides RQ and PQ. One can be perpendicular, one can be base. So if we will take angle P, then its opposite side will be perpendicular and its adjacent will be base. So we will put here values 12 and RQ. So after squaring, 13 square is 169, 12 square 144, RQ as it is. After subtracting, you will get 25, and here is square is converted in square root. So square root 25 is 5 centimeter. Square root 25 is 5, so RQ is 5 centimeter. So value of RQ is 5. In the question, we are asked to find tan P and cot R. First tan. So again we will draw this trick. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. So sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Here is tan. Tan is, if the value is here in the upper part, then we will go from upward to downward. So P by B we will write here, P by B. So value of P is 5 and value of B base 12. So that will be base. So that will be 5 by 12. Next cot R. Cot. Again here angle is changed. Here is R. So we will draw again triangle PQR. So upper angle was here R. So its opposite side is PQ. So that will be now perpendicular, and its conjunctive side will be base B 5 centimeter. So we will put here B by P. B is here 5 and P perpendicular 12. So 5 by 12 is cot R. Find tan P minus cot R. Look at here in the question. So tan P minus cot R. Value of tan P is 5 by 12 and cot R is 5 by, from here. So we will put here, after cancelling you will get answer 0. So that's question second complete. Now third question. First of all we will read again statement. If sin A is 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. In every question you will draw first triangle. If triangle is not given, you will have to assume. So here is not given triangle, but here indicating one angle A, that triangle will be of base A and B, any can be. So we will draw first triangle ABC in right angle B. So here is triangle ABC, and at B angle is 90 degree. So we have given sine A 3 upon 4. This is given in the proportion. If anything is given in the proportion, then the upper and lower part will be common multiple of any real number. So let here k be any real number. So 3k upon 4k. Now this trick, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. So sine is P by H. So we will write here P is 3k, H is 4k. So in triangle, angle is here A. Opposite to angle A is P perpendicular BC. So BC is 3k and H opposite to 90 degrees 4k. So triangle is right angle and 90 degree you have. So we will use here Pythagoras theorem. We know h square equals to p square plus b square. You very well know. So now put value you have. H is 4k, perpendicular is 3k, base as it is. So square of 4k is 16k square, and square of 3k is 9k square. Now here 16k square minus 9k square equals to b square. So after subtracting you will get 9k square, and this square will be converted into the square root. So square root is not square root of 7 is not a perfect square, so it will be in the square root, and square is cancelled with root, so here is left only k. So here in the question we are asked to find cos A and tan A. So cos, So from here cos is b by h. B by H. B is base, H is hypotenuse. So base in the triangle is AB and H is AC. Value of base is root 7k and H is 4k. So k cancel with k. So cos A is root 7 by 4. Next tan A. Tan is we know P by B. P means perpendicular, B means base here. So we have value P 3k, there 3k, and the value of B is root 7k. So put here root 7k, k cancel with k, so left 3 by root 7. So that is the answer of this question. Now next question, fourth. Now next question, fourth. First of all, we will read here statement. 15 cot A equals to 8. Find sin A secant A. Right, students? So first we will draw a triangle ABC. So here angle is, so we will let here triangle ABC such that angle B is 90 degree. So here given 15 cot A, that is given. So 15 here, 8 by 15, cot A equals to 8 by 15. And from this figure, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले, चांदी सोना चांदी. So cot is base by perpendicular. If any value start from the downward part, so we will go from the downward to upward. So here B over P, we will write here B by P. So here again in the ratio we will take any real number k. So this will be converted in 8k upon 15k. We know k is any multiple. So by Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square we know. So here base is 8k, perpendicular is 15k. So angle is here A, so opposite to A is perpendicular and its adjacent side is base. So two sides are given, left here hypotenuse. So we will find here h square is equal to p square plus b square. Value of p is 15k, value of b is 8k. So put here square of 15 225, 8 square of 8 64. After adding you will get 289. So square it will be converted in under root. So square root of 289 is 17. So we will find sine and secant. So sine is perpendicular upon h. Perpendicular is here BC and h is AC. The value of BC is root not 15k and AC is 17k. So k is cancelled with k, left 15 upon 7. Okay students, got it? Now next is secant A. Secant is, so secant start from h by b, from downward to upward. H by b, value of h is root 17k and AB is 8k. So 8 k cancel with k, so left 17 by 8. That is the answer of fourth question. Okay students, so next question 5. Again we will read statement. Given secant theta 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. So question is given in the trigonometric form. So we know if sine, cos, tan, anything is given, then triangle will be a right angle. So let triangle ABC such that angle B is 90 degree. So we draw a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree. So theta is not visible in this triangle. So we will let here theta. You can consider here or here. In the two acute angles you can consider, but this cannot be theta. So this is our theta. So opposite of this side is perpendicular. So secant we know h by p, h by b. So h is 13, b is 12. So in this AB is adjacent to BC, so base is 12k, and this side P is not given, so we will find using Pythagoras theorem by PGT, its short form PGT, Pythagoras theorem. So we know again h square equals to p square plus b square. Now put values h and b. So it's square. After subtracting, you will get 25k square equals to p square. So after taking square root, you will get 5k. Okay, students. Now calculate all the other trigonometry ratio. We know the sides are divided into 6 parts according to the trigonometry. So we have one value left, 5 values. So sine is p by h. So value of p is 5k, value of h is 13k. Put here. You will get 5 by 13. Next cos b by h, value of b 12k and value of h is 13k. So k cancel with k, 12 by 13 left. Next tan theta, tan is p by b. So you have values p and b, put here, and after cancelling you will get 5 by 12. Okay, you are understanding? Good. So now cot theta, cot is b by p. From this b by p, value of b is 12k and value of p is 5k. So now cut it, 5 by 12 left. Next is cosecant, this value is given, so left only cosecant. So value of cosecant is h by p. H is 13k and p is 5k. Cut it, so left 13 by 5. That is the answer. So this question complete. Okay, next question, sixth. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos B, then show that angle A and angle B are equal. So here A and B are acute angle, so there will be another C angle. So let a triangle ABC in which C is 90 degree. So draw a triangle ABC in which A and B are acute angle. A and B are acute angle, and left C 90 degree. So given cos A equals to cos B, we know cos is B by H. So B is base, H is hypotenuse. So B by H. So given here cos A equals to base by H. So angle here A, so according to angle A, opposite side is BC, and that is perpendicular, and its adjacent side is AC. So that will be base. So base is AC over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AB. So put here AB, and the same cos B again B by H. So angle here B, so opposite to B is AC, that is perpendicular, and its adjacent side is BC, that is base. So base is BC, hypotenuse is AB. So AB cancel with AB, so left AC and BC. So we know in triangle, if any triangle two sides are equal, then its adjacent angles, the opposite angles will be same. So same as in an equal triangle ABC. If all angles are same, suppose 5 5 5, then each angle will be equal. So here angle A, angle B, angle C are same if all sides are same. If any triangle contain two sides same, suppose 5 5, it is 10, then its opposite angle, opposite angle is here C, and its opposite angle is B. So both will be same. It is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So same in this, two sides are same, therefore angle opposite angle equal. So complete this question. Now next question, seventh. First we will read statement. If cot theta is 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sine and 1 minus sine upon 1 plus cos 1 minus cos, and second part cot square theta. This we will be evaluate. So it is trigonometric ratio, so we should have a triangle. Let triangle ABC such that angle B is 90 degree. So here is triangle ABC, and cot we know from this figure, cot is B upon B, B upon P. B is base, P is perpendicular. So you have two sides, third is not given, so we will calculate it by Pythagoras theorem. So by PGT, h square equals to p square plus b square. So value of p is 8k. According to this, base is 7, p is 8. So put here p and b. Square of 8 is 64, square of 7 is 49k square. After adding you will get 113k square. So value of h is under root 113k. So you have need sine, cos and cot. So first of all we will find these three trigonometric ratios. First is sine, and we know sine is p upon h. So p is opposite to theta, 8k, and h under root 113k. So k cancel. Same cos and cot. Cos is b by h, cot is b by p. Put values from this figure. So now first part, 1 plus sine 1 minus sine upon 1 plus cos 1 minus cos. So you have values sine. Now first it is becoming a formula. We know a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So we will use here this identity, a square minus b square. A is 1, b is sine. So now value of sine is 8 by under root 17. From this side, sine is 8 by root 113, and value of cos is 7 by under root 13. We will put here, right? So put 8 by root 17, root 113, same here. So square of this 64 by 113, and square of 7 by under root 13 is 49 by 113. So take its LCM. Taking LCM is very easy. Write product of denominator part and cross multiply. Here is 1. We will multiply 1 by 113. You will get 113, and 1 with 164 is 64. Same here. So 113 cancel with 113, and after subtracting you will get 49, and here 64. In the second part, cot square theta. Value of cot is 7 by 8. So square of 7 by 8 is 49 by 64. That is complete this question. Now eighth question. Again we will start from the statement. We will read, if 3 cot A is 4, check whether this is true or not true. So let triangle ABC such that angle B is 90 degree. So we will draw this triangle ABC. Cot is again B upon P. So that is B and that is P. So that is 4k by 3k. So base and perpendicular is given, hypotenuse is not given. So we will use Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. So value of p is 3k and value of b is 4k. Square of this, After adding you will get 25k square and value of h is 5k. Now here is tan, cos and sine. Firstly you will find tan, cos and sine. So tan A, tan is p by b. From this p by b, value of p is 3k because angle is here a, so opposite to angle A is perpendicular is 3k and base is 4k. So put here you will get 3 by 4. Same cos A, cos is b by h, b is 4k, h is 5k, 4 by 5 left. Sin A, p by h, p is 3k, h is 5k, cut it, left here 3 by 5. So here we are asked to check whether this is equal or not equal. So we will find first is left hand side, after that it's right hand side. If both will be same, then we can say it is true. If both are not equal, then we will say it is not true. So start from the left part. 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. Value of tan is 3 by 4. Put here and here. So square of this 9 by 16, here also 9 by 16. Again you will take here LCM is 16. Taking LCM is very easy. Product of the denominator part and the cross multiply. 16 minus 9. Here same again. 16 cancel with 16. So left 16 minus 9 is 7. 16 plus 9 is 25. So in the right hand side, cos square minus sine square. Value of cos is 4 by 5 and value of sine is 3 by 5. So square it. 16 by 25, 9 by 25. After subtracting you will get 25 by 7 by 25. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So both are equal, then we can say both are equal, then result will be yes. Okay, next question number 9th. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, tan A is 1 by root 3. Like a student, first of all you should read the statement. After that it's evaluating part, right? So tan A is 1 by root 3. Tan you know p by b. So p is 1 and b is under root 3. So that will be k upon k by root 3 k. We can write it. So same h square equals to p square plus b square. Because triangle is right angle, we will use here Pythagoras theorem. So value of p is k. Value of p is k. Without k we can also solve it. So we can put here 1. Square of 1 is 1. Square of root 3 is 4. It will be converted into. So value of h is 2. So sine A. Sine A is p by h. Value of p is 1. Because angle is here A. So opposite to angle A is perpendicular. Perpendicular is 1 and its conjunctive side is AB. AB is base and left, or you can say opposite to base is hypotenuse. So h is 2. Sine p by h. Value of p 1 and value of h 2. And cos b by h. Value of b is root 3. Value of h 2. And same sine c. So angle here is A and here is C. So some things different from this. So we will draw again triangle ABC. So we will main angle is, so here main angle is C. So its opposite side is perpendicular and its adjacent side is base. Base is 1 and opposite to perpendicular is opposite to 90 degree or right angle is hypotenuse. You very well know. So sine C. p by h, value of p is now under root 3 and the value of h is 2 and cos c b by h, value of b 1, h is 2. So we will go in the first part, calculate sin a cos c, cos a sin c. So you have every value, so we will put here sin a cos c plus cos a sin c. So you have all values, sin 1 by 2 cos a root 3 by 2 and sin c cos c. So you have all value. After putting you will get this, that is 1 by 4, that is root 3 multiply root 3 is 3 and 2 to 4. So after solving you will get 1. Same in the second part, cos c cos a sin c. So here is cos a cos c, value of cos a is root 3 by 2 and value of cos c 1 by 2, right? Minus sin a, value of sin a is 1 by 2 and sin c, value of sin c is root 3 by 2. So both are same, so after cutting you will get answer 0 set. Complete this question. Question number 10th. First of all we will again read statement. In triangle pqr, right angle at q, PR plus QR is 25 centimeter and PQ is 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P, tan P. So let triangle PQR, in which Q is right angle. So one side is only given PQ. So here PQ is 5 centimeter. This side is not given, this side is not given, but its sum PR plus RP is 25. So let one side, you can let this side or this side. So we have considered here PR is x centimeter. Suppose this is x, but sum of both side is 25. If this side is x, then this will be 25 minus x, right? Right, students? Okay. So given PR plus QR is 25, value of PR is, we have considered x, so value of QR is 25 minus x. So this triangle is right angled, so we will use PGT, Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. You very well know. So value of h, p, b. Now here is two terms, so you will square it. Square of 25, 625, square of x, x square minus 2ab. You know formula, a minus b's whole square is a square plus b square minus 2b. Here this identity is used. So x square is both sides, so this will be cancelled.